restrained for reasons unknown. Words appear to be exchanged before Evans appears to turn off his body camera, then strike DeBose again and again. Dugan enters next and hits him too, action so severe the inmate suffers a concussion. And though a technician appears, the indictment claims DeBose was left alone for 2 hours. Only the latest alleged abuse caught on camera.
That video you just saw was absolutely terrible. For whatever reason it occurred, it's not good, and it places a black eye on all of us in corrections. That is why we need more reputation management training in our system. Hi, I'm Gary York, True Prison Stories. Please subscribe if you like this video. Today I put the video first. I hope it's a good training video, training on what not to do. I have no idea what happened at the beginning of this incident, but once that inmate was restrained the way he was, it's over. There was no more threat. And these type of incidents are really hurting our reputation. And if you say, well, who cares? Well, we should all care, because we want to look good in the eyes of the public who pay taxes and who pay our paychecks. And yes, we have to be in the position of public trust, which means we have to be trusted. So what does reputation equal? It equals trust, integrity, honor, honesty, and that's what we have to represent. You know, turning off the body cam right away was a bad sign. Again, and I did one the other day where a warden had ordered for them to be shut off during a certain period of time. And now here we are with another incident. We can't turn these things off and turn them on when we decide we're ready. You know, what is management or reputation management? That's influencing others or a group to do things in a certain way. Well, this type of management leadership with this ranking person in this cell we just saw, that's not a good way to do it. That's going to get many people to lose their jobs, and a lot of good people, a lot of honest people. What can possibly be worse than losing your job and facing a criminal indictment? For what? For what possible reason? This is just another example of why management must start to train more. Let's please, at briefing, warn your people. Tell them don't do this. You know, if you're a sergeant or above, don't do what these gentlemen did. Please warn your people. If you lose your cool, tap out. Go out. Tell your partner, I gotta go. Or if you're on the other side, you tap out the person about to lose it. Tap them out. Tell them, go. We got this. Get me another person in here. Tap them out. Save their jobs. Save a criminal indictment for their sake. And then for the agency's sake, you've protected the agency reputation as well. But let's save our brothers and sisters first from getting in this type of situation. I mean, who knows? I don't know how long these people have been there. Some of these people could have been there for 10 years or more. And then they let this type of incident destroy their career. Don't do it. It's not worth it. So please, remember to influence others not to conduct themselves in this manner when the threat is over. It's over. Do not take the law into your own hands, please. No matter how upset you get. I saw the inmate talking. He probably was saying some terrible things that he was going to do to somebody, but he's restrained. He's not going to do them when you've got him restrained like that. He's no threat anymore. Let the words just fall off you like raindrops. Just let them flow. Words, so what? I've been called every name in the book, and man, did I get mad sometimes, but I walked away. I walked away. Once they're in a cell and they start going off with their words, or once they're restrained like this inmate was and they start going off with their words, they're just words. Just words. Write it in your report. Write your report of what they did to get themselves into this situation, and then all the little jabbering and threats they want to make verbally, after that, and when they're behind, when they're not physically harming you, put it in your report, send it to the state attorney, get your jail detective, your prison investigator, your administrative investigator, somebody to send a report to the state attorney, see if you can press some criminal charges on them. That'll hurt them a lot more than you hurting yourself. Okay, so please stay safe, get that training in there, management, supervisors, and trainers, officers training other officers. You can do this. You can do reputation management on your own every day. Every day, go check your dorms, check your officers, remind them, stay safe, remind them not to lose it, and remind them not to do something that could cost them their job, or even worse, a criminal indictment. Thank you for watching True Prison Stories. Gary York, please subscribe.